Someone used AI to find a serious security hole in WordPress. Your website probably runs on WordPress. Over 40% of the world's websites do. So when a security researcher found a critical flaw with help from GPT 5.6, I took notice. To be clear, the AI didn't hack anything. An experienced security researcher pointed it at the WordPress source code. It helped him work through millions of lines far faster than he could alone. It spotted a chain of small weaknesses, each one harmless on its own, chained together. A critical exploit. The researcher checked every step himself. The expert stayed in charge. The AI made him faster, a lot faster. That's the part that matters for you. Cybercriminals have the same tools now. The window between a security patch and active attacks used to be weeks. It's shrinking to days, sometimes hours. Updating WordPress Core promptly stopped being optional a while ago. Update it. Back your site up regularly. Use strong passwords. Work with someone you actually trust to keep it maintained. I've been programming since 1981. And this is the shift I keep seeing. AI has become a genuine technical assistant in security, in automation, in marketing. But it works best sitting alongside real experience, not instead of it. Go check when your site was last updated. And if you'd like help keeping it secure or making better use of AI in your business, get in touch through geckogulliewebsites.com. Plain English, no jargon. That's how I work.